Hi, I'm James. And this is stupid Emily. I got ran over with the dogs. This is James and this is Emily. My sister Emily, I got pissed off at you, stupid Emily. Ouch, I got a owie. My owie, stupid sister. Emily gotta drive my car and got run over her. Ow! That hurt. Jack did it, an accident on purpose. This is dumb terrible. Look what you did. Stupid sister. What a jerk she is. Stupid Emily. What a brat she is. This is horrible. This is horrible. This is dumb terrible. That could be fundamental along with Emily had to keep you safe. So I do not recommend give 0 stars. Stupid Emily. It got Jack and the dog got ran over by a car. Thank you. Thumb down. Kind of what I say. Boo!